trivalent. Trivalent impurity. In this case, p-type semiconductor trivalent impurity. Trivalent is nothing but 3 valence electrons are present. For example, very pure form of semiconductor is doped with pentavalent, trivalent element. Pentavalent means n-type, trivalent means p-type. For example, take as indium. Example of p-type indium. Take as indium. Very pure form of semiconductor is germanium. Germanium is doped with indium. Already told what is the purpose we are adding impurity means to increase the conductivity. Okay, clear? In this case, germanium having how many electrons? How many valence electrons? 4 valence electrons. In this case, germanium having every germanium having 4 valence electrons. So in this case, indium having trivalent element, 3 valence electrons only present. So this one electron, 1, 2, 3, and then third one is holes. Okay, in this case, 3 electrons is bonded to the semiconductor. 4 valence electrons. One space is empty space. In this case, p-type semiconductor majority. P-type semiconductor holes excess and then electrons is minimum. In this case, conductivity is produced by due to holes. In this case of p-type semiconductor. So in this case, the energy level diagram of p-type semiconductor is. This is the valence band, already very well known about valence band, and then conduction band. This is the EI. This is the EC, EV, EC, and then EI. The Fermi energy level of intrinsic semiconductor is always present in valence band to conduction band. In this case of p-type semiconductor, acceptor energy level is present. In this case of n-type, donor energy level is present. In this case of p-type semiconductor, acceptor energy level is present. Acceptor energy level always present in nearest to the valence band. In donor energy level always present in conduction band. In this case of acceptor energy level is always nearest to the valence band. In this case, Fermi energy level is always intermediate to the Fermi energy level between EV and EA. Okay, temperature is increases, the Fermi energy level is very. Okay, did you clear? Last class we discussed about types of semiconductor, types of extrinsic semiconductor. Did you know very well about extrinsic means impure semiconductor? Based on impurity, we either classify into n-type semiconductor and then p-type semiconductor. In this case of n-type semiconductor, majority charge carried is electrons. In this case of p-type semiconductor, majority charge carried is holes. Holes is nothing but positively charged. Now we are going to discuss about carrier concentration in n-type semiconductor. Carrier concentration in n-type semiconductor. Okay, now the diagram of n-type semiconductor. This is the valence band. This is the conduction band. This is the Fermi. Em is denoted by Fermi energy level, and then EV is denoted by donor energy level. Donor energy level always present is nearest to the conduction band, and then Fermi energy level present in intermediate conduction.